Hello everybody and welcome to YouTube episode number 172. Myself Lalia Dattagupta, Sanskriti Kolkata, and today's episode is our favorite Katha episode on pure silk and tussars. So watch till the end. Product number 1 I will show on Bangalore silk. This is on pure Bangalore silk, traditional embroidery. Single color thread has been used in bottle green, off-white color thread in dark bottle green color, two-tone, and the thread work is all over including blouse piece. Now let me tell you, since the work is all over, the blouse will be not in the full size. I mean, usually we need a 90 to 1 meter blouse piece, but for kathas the blouse piece material are usually just the border or around 50 to 60 centimeters, because the fabric shrinks a bit with so much of work, thread work that has been done. But so what we do, we usually mix and match with, like see, this is the blouse piece, but probably you will get, not for all, I'm just telling in general, the blouse piece comes to around 30, 40, sometimes only border, so it's not sure how much the blouse piece will come. We usually measure 5.5 meter sari and then cut the blouse piece. Now this is product number 1. In bottle green, all over Katha embroidery, and this is the pallu part of it. It's a beautiful all over thread work. See the work closely. This is the pallu part, and then the border is also with work. The body will be in also thread work, all over embroidery, and this is the product number 1 in dark bottle green color. Here is the pallu. Now coming to product number 2, again in Katha, all these are handwork Katha, 7,800 for these traditional Kathas, 7800. See the embroidery, geometric, it's a purplish color tone, two-tone, it's geometric, and here is the pallu part. Very neat thread work. See the work, the color, the combination. Very smart looking combination, and since it's in single color, on wearing it really looks very pretty. And this is the blouse piece for this. Those who are very tall, more than 5'8", 5'7" height, and then on top of that you want to wear heel, then you have to attach extra cloth on top of the sari. I mean on the tuck-in part you need to add fabric in case you are blessed with very good height. 7800 for this product number 2, hand work embroidery in Katha. Product number 3, another dual tone. It's a very uncommon shade. It's, what would I say, it's a military green and maroon dual tone. Very uncommon color combination, tone of green only. Again with all over work. আঁচল, সমস্ত কাজ কিন্তু হাতে করা হয়েছে, পিওর সিল্ক ফ্যাব্রিক, এবং পুরো কাজটার ওপর কিন্তু মানে একদম সূক্ষ্ম, খুব সূক্ষ্ম ছোট ছোট ফোরের কাজ হয়েছে, অল ওভার কাজটা গেছে। আবার যেটা আমি বাংলায়ও বলে দিই, অনেক সময় কি হয়, কাপড়টা এতটাই কাজ হয়, কাপড়টা কিন্তু স্টিচের মধ্যে মধ্যে গিয়ে গিয়ে একটু শ্রিঙ্ক করে, যার জন্য কি এটার উইথটা কিন্তু একটু ছোট হয়ে যায়, প্লাস এটার কিন্তু ব্লাউজ পিসটা পুরো আসে না। সো আপনারা কিন্তু 5.5 মিটার্স মেপে ব্লাউজ পিসটা কাটবেন। যদি ব্লাউজ পিস দেখেন কম আপনার লাগবে, আপনি মিক্স অ্যান্ড ম্যাচ করে, যেরকম এটার সাথে রাস্ট কালার ব্লাউজের সাথে কিন্তু এই বর্ডারটা লাগাতে পারেন, মিক্স অ্যান্ড ম্যাচ করে আপনি ব্লাউজ পিস বানিয়ে কন্ট্রাস্ট করে পরতে পারেন, সেটাও কিন্তু খুবই ভালো লাগবে। এখন আমি দেখাবো 3D কাঁথা, যেটা ভীষণ ডিমান্ড, খুব ভাল লাগে পরলে, বিকজ এটার মধ্যে একটা প্যানেল করে উইভিং যাচ্ছে। The saree itself is woven in 3D color. Why we say 3D? Because there is 3 panels that is woven, 3 color panel that has been woven, and we do the work usually on the upper and lower panel, very broad embroidery. We leave the center panel, but all the 3 panels are different colors. See, the upper part is Rani, the lower part, middle part is two-tone yellow pink color combination, more or less coral, and the last part is in wine color. So this gives a very nice effect with multicolor pallu. 8990, very rich katha, all handwork and very good finish, neat finish, rather I would say very neat finish, which is very important in a complete sari look. And here comes the blouse piece for this. 2 sleeves will have the border, and also the back part will have the border. So the blouse piece matches with the pallu part. Since these are dried after months of handwork, these are washed and dried in the field in the to get the full sunlight. So usually there may be 1 or 2 marks, and also the xerox of the painting, you know, when they do this painting work, like maybe the xerox marks may be there in 1 or 2. So just you have to ignore this. These are very common in katha, but we do try to do as good finishing as possible. 1 or 2 may be there, so that's very natural. Those are not defects. Beautiful sea green and emerald green shade, lovely color combination with white thread work. Very pretty color combination. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Citizen Park. Sundays we are closed. The other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We courier worldwide. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata only via courier. Courier charges are applicable. International shipments are done regularly, and the shipping charges depend on the weight and destination. For one product, the price will be definitely higher than if you buy in bulk. So better if you can club in with your friends, or you can just pay for the product, and then if you like more you can add on and then pay the shipping later, no problem. But I always want you to have the best, get the best rate possible. We have the tailoring unit also. Once you want if you want the blouse to be stitched, after payment we'll connect you to the tailoring department, where they will do a call. You can do a WhatsApp calling, and you can also select the designs. You can we have the pattern for you. So anyway, everything can be worked out once the stitching measurements are there. Next time we don't need to give a measurement, it can be done with the same measurements also. So just one time you have to give some time. If you want the blouse to be stitched, we can stitch it and courier it to you along with this product. This is the blouse pallu part. Lovely lavender color, shades of mauve. Pallu in multicolor, and the body is in shades of lavender and pink. Every episode will be different from each other. We try to show new products in each episode, something new, something different, no repetition. You can check out all our, this is our 172nd episode, and all products that has been shown in all the episodes, previous episodes, are different from each other. So keep watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. We have the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the still photos are uploaded every day. So you can check out the still photos. More new products are also uploaded. We have the Insta page Lalia at Sanskriti, where you can check out the preview of the next episode, you can check out the albums in the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, and also the WhatsApp status when new products are uploaded, or also those which are repeated. The ones which are in demand, we keep repeating, those are also uploaded. So you can select from these three, these three medias. Another Bangalore silk with reverse katha, multicolor collage reverse katha. Very different work, very neat work. I'll show you closely now. You see each motive, why it's reverse, because each motive has been left out. The outline has, the outside of the motifs have been filled with thread work, and again not one thread work. See, in between this particular piece we have 1, 2, 3, 4 colors that has been used. So it gives a very good, zigzag puzzle, collage look. Absolutely stunning art, thread work, hand work in black colored Bangalore silk. This is the pallu. Half sari will have throughout work, and then diagonal it will go. See, that's the reason so much of work now. The blouse pieces are not that much. I mean, the full length blouse you don't get. So maybe you can attach a turquoise blue like the one that I am wearing. See, you can just attach a turquoise blue blouse piece, or a red. Anything would look good in this. You can attach a emerald green blouse, which will look very nice. See, with my blouse piece that I am wearing, this is also looking nice. I usually hardly make sari blouses, especially with these. Of course, the traditional ones look good with sari blouses also, which you difficult to mix and match colors. But these sari you can always go for contrast colors, which looks really nice. But preferred solid color, because the body has so much of multicolors. Even the blouse, if you go for multicolor, it will not look nice. I think with these multicolors, a solid color blouse is needed. Royal blue, royal combinations, and so prominent. The work is neat, hence the motifs come out very prominently. See, it just seems as if it's 3-dimension. Beautiful, neat finish, neat work with lovely outline done in run katha. Lovely piece. This takes so much of time. How do they manage with this eyes and all? I think it's really commendable. Now till the end the work goes. And the blouse piece again will have the border. Here comes the blouse piece for this. Closely the work. Another Bangalore silk, sober color combination, product number 98990-8900. In case I miss out the price, you see the details is already mentioned in the description part. In case I miss out the price, you can check out the details there. Take the screenshot of the product with the number mentioned. And if it's an old episode, kindly mention the episode number when you are sending the picture. Once the product is available, I will give you my business account bank details. It's a proper GST invoice will be sent with each shipment. Once the payment is done, please send the address, phone number and name of the shipping address. This is the blouse piece, this is the back, and this is the sleeves. So since a light color shade, so I've done full work in the sleeves and the back. It's a partly pallu, very pretty sari, very pretty in white color. This is the pleat part, red and yellow. This is the pallu part. Very smart looking, very pretty sari. Yeah. With this, see the pallu, wow, lovely pallu, as if it's just alpona done. Very pretty sari. With this you can make a red body and just attach the sleeves in the sleeves and the border. Even yellow blouse will look so beautiful. This is a two-tone again, Warli Katha folk embroidery, 8900, figure Katha, pallu, figures, peacock, birds, flowers, plants. Beautiful. See the color. Very uncommon shade of blue with even the color that has been used. All credit goes to my Karigar. Very nice combination he has done. The whole sari will have this broad embroidery and the blouse piece will have the border. Very heavy quality Bishnupuri Katan silk. This is heavy quality Bishnupuri Katan silk. As I said, there may be one or two marks because of the the way they wash and dry them. Now absolutely a new concept we've done, applique patchwork katha in Bishnupuri silk. Now see, I'll explain this. The body is fully in katha work. Here's the katha. This was a woven sari in stripe border. What we've done is, we've attached katha patchwork and outlined it with machine thread work. So it's giving a very nice checkered border, a checkered pallu. This is the patchwork katha, this is the handwork katha. You know, this is also handwork, only the border has been attached in machine work. Otherwise, it's a fully handwork sari in pure silk. Even these patches are in pure silk. It gives a very smart look, very smart, little different, very fashionable actually. And till the end, the whole sari will be like this. The blouse piece will have the off-white color with the patchwork border. So we have this stripe woven border of the sari and also the patchwork border. So this is the sari. Little experiment we've done. I think on wearing it will look nice, very nice. So I have more colors in this. That was with a red border and this is with a black border. Closely you can see the work, the body, the border, the pallu. 9200 for this. Especially the patchwork. Just see closely the patchwork. It's looking interesting, I think. So this is something new that we did in this episode. See, each line will have this katha work and again a katha applique work. So it's a fusion actually. This is the blouse piece border. Now coming to Gachi Toshor. This is a very pretty color combination, Agumoni collection, very traditional but absolutely very unique. milk white thread has been used in the virgin color heavy quality desi tussar. See the work, the color combination, and this dark beige color tussar along with this white color, it's standing out so well. Achol. Bhishon uncommon. Here is properly the achol for you. 9800. 9800. The blouse piece will be running along with the white thread work border. This is the blouse piece. Gorgeous sari. Wear it with your traditional gold jewelry. Really look nice. This is number 14. Again Gachi Toshor with Nokshi Katha and applique. How is it? Another new design. The border is applique work done with Nokshi Katha and the body is all over direct Katha stitch. These concepts are absolutely new. 9800 Nokshi Katha with applique work in Gachi Toshor. See the work. Very uncommon, very uncommon. See? And the blouse will be with work also. This is the blouse piece. Gachi Toshor baby pink color with grey. Poddo Katha. So if you want to attach any border or piping tassel, few saris will look nice like this, would look nice with a border and a tassel if you want. Of course, as it is also it's looking nice, you can attach a pink or a black color piping or border, whatever you say. 300 rupees extra for border and tassels. This is 9800. Very pretty color combination in soft baby pink color and grey. All over buta. See the work. Color combination and the finish is very important in Katha. Now I will show you the back side and the close up of this work. So you can understand why our products is in demand. I'm really honored that you like my product. This is number 15. Yes, see the back side now. See the finish. Till the end the work will be there, and here is the blouse piece border. So with this, a nice soft baby pink color or a slate color blouse would also look nice. It's an absolutely stunning piece. This is another very pretty desi tussar. See the work. 9800. Very big double pallu Oirawat. I had a few years back when things were better. I had done a very pretty Airawat collection. I had done the fish collection. So these are few of those that are being repeated. Very uncommon piece and very nice work. The shading, the color combination. These look very pretty, very different and absolutely designer piece in traditional Katha. The blouse piece will have the border in geometric. See the work, the color, so much of embroidery, broad work in very pretty thread work. Now I'll show you some tie and dye Katha. Dyed Katha. See, again totally new concept. Sober, simple work but very, very unique. Very simple design I have chosen. I mean, not I would rather say we. With shades of rust and snuff. Upper part. Desi tussar with contrast rust blouse piece with the border. Little different, very uncommon. Even the color, since it's an earthy tone, this is really looking uncommon. See the amount of work that has been done in the pallu. Big pallu, 9800, product number 17. Now I'll show you some colors. And all colors are uncommon. Now this is in yellow and rust. Now see, here you can see, I can see it myself. Now these are little outline frame marks, the carbon marks that is very common since it's in lighter shade. So these you have to accept. So think about this and then you do the booking, because these are very common in Katha. When you see it, it doesn't look, but when you see very closely, there may be one or two marks there. There may be frameworks there. When you put the frame and do the stitching, then the stitching comes out really neat. We did it in the SUPW classes in school. But then what happened, the fabric, since these are silk and tussar, little stretches a bit. But those you have to accept. Again, every episode in Katha I tell you, these are very common in Katha. So I am telling you from beforehand that you have to accept these. These are the blouse pieces, contrast deep rust blouse piece, and see the color chart. Actually, I wouldn't say stain. That was a little spot dye of this rust color. So these are very common, as I say. Blue, colors of the Mediterranean, beautiful aqua color with thread work. See how it's so eye soothing. The blouse will be in darker blue with the border. A black. This work is different. and this is not shaded. No, this is also shaded, black and grey, I forgot. Yeah, this also we had selected the slate and the charcoal black color. 6-7 months it takes to completely wash, finish, polish, do the thread work and every detailing, the dyeing. 6 to 7 months for a katha. So we do not take any repeat orders for any katha. We do keep showing regularly, so watch for new episodes. The old episode kathas, not a single piece is available, not a single piece. So that's why every week I try to do one katha episode, so that those who are waiting for katha, those who miss out on our previous kathas, and I get requests to take orders for them. Especially I keep trying to I do try to show more katha work, because I know how much these handwork are in demand, and I know you love our katha stitch sarees. So that's why I do keep repeating. See the color combination, the how the work has been done, up and down, lovely, with black blouse, it will have the border. (21) half and half katha, desi tussar, beige and red, pleats in red tussar, blouse piece in red, the blouse piece will be in red with the border. Patti tassel in raw silk green color. The work is very, very interesting. Single color thread work, half and half. Dark wine color, rich wine color. Pleats in, these are attached, let me tell you, these are all attached. These are all mix and match katha stitch sarees that we've done to give it a little different designer touch. This is the blouse piece border, tussar, blouse piece in off-white, (9500). The upper part, this part is in pure heavy quality Bangalore silk, black and red, half and half katha with red blouse piece running. This is the blouse piece with this, and very nice thread with the border. Green border pallu, narrow, and this is the saree. Tassels. Silk, pleats, tussar. Silk again, upper part, pleats, tussar. Red and white work in the upper part, green border, 9500, pure Bangalore silk with all over work, half of the sari, and the rest sari will be jet black. This, since these are attached, these will have the full length blouse piece. This is the blouse piece border. So black blouse you will get with this border. These you can make the full length blouse. Since these have been attached, I have given much extra fabric. So this is the sari. Black blouse with the border. Coming to again Bangalore silk, mustard. It's not a bright mustard, it's a very nice deep beige, you can say. Not yellowish, it's a beige tone mustard color. 9200 with all over lovely embroidery, handwork, floral, Paddo Katha. Half sari will be full work. With small booties and rich border and blouse piece. Again, this is the blouse piece, the sleeves. Again, with this you can attach a maroon color material and then attach the borders. See, so much of work, very prominent bold thread work and very neat work. Bangalore silk again, product number 268900, all over red with blue color thread work has been done, all over sari, single color, monotone, red and blue color combination, sky blue, very different color combination, and the thread work is all over and floral. Half the sari will be fully worked and then in the pleats it will have broad embroidery with this blouse piece border. It's a very pretty red, very bright, gorgeous red. Dark shade of burgundy, dark magenta, 8800, bird katha, পাখি কাঁথা যেটা আমরা বলি, পুরো শাড়িটার মধ্যে কাজ যাচ্ছে মাল্টি কালার থ্রেডের ওপর, পিওর সিল্কে, বিষ্ণুপুরি কাতান সিল্ক, ডায়াগোনাল ওয়ার্ক, পাল্লুতে অল ওভার কাজটা যাবে এবং এটা পুরো ডায়াগোনালি গিয়ে একদম শেষের দিকে শেষ হবে। যার জন্য কি বডি পার্টটাতে কিন্তু পুরো কাজ থাকে, তো যেভাবে যাবে বেশি থেকে কম হতে থাকবে এবং ব্লাউজ পিসেও কিন্তু পুরো বর্ডারটা আসছে, খুব সুন্দর, পুরো কালার কম্বিনেশনটাও ভীষণ সুন্দর। আর এটার সাথে ব্লাউজ পিসটা এই যে দেওয়া আছে, ব্লাউজ পিসের বর্ডারটা দেওয়া আছে এবং আপনি কাজটাও ক্লোজলি দেখুন, কাজটা আমি আগেও দেখালাম, কাজটা কিন্তু ভীষণ নিট আর প্রত্যেকটা পাখির কিন্তু কাজটা পুরো ভরাটি কাজ, এত ভরাটি কাজ। এছাড়াও ব্যাক পার্টটা দেখুন কত পরিষ্কার ভাবে করা হয়েছে। স্ট্রাইপ কাঁথা সিল্কের ওপর, see the amount of this embroidery that has been done in each stripe, see the filling of the work, stunning piece. This is woven and this is thread work. Pallu, maroon pallu, the body will be in grey and maroon stripe with contrast. See, this is the actual material. The maroon part has been done, is filled with thread work and the grey part, woven part, has been left as it is. So it becomes a very smart looking sari with this contrast dark maroon color blouse piece with temple border. So this is a very smart without any border, very fashionable sari with contrast blouse and temple contrast pallu. Before I forget, the mannequin is wearing another Desi Katha, Desi Tassar with all over Katha leaf embroidery in red and wine color. Product number, it's a mannequin sari, so it has no number. I'm just telling you it's 9800 Desi Tassar. But again, let me tell you, whenever you are doing all over work, there are frameworks where there may be stretching of fabric, so that is very natural in saris. All over embroidery, and see the pleats part. Full work. This is the sari. Half sari will have full work with blouse piece. This will have a running blouse piece with the border. 9800 Desi Tassar. And another Bangalore silk. This is mustard. 8900 with maroon color embroidery. Very beautiful thread work. 8900. Pleats will have booty and broad thread work border, and here comes the blouse piece, 2 sleeves and the back. Very nice combination for wedding and all also, because it has no touch of black. It's a very nice sari. Desi Katha collage work. This was, even yesterday I got 3-4 customers inquiring about this sari. So this had just come, so I thought of just adding this in this episode. See, it's all over reverse Katha, all over reverse collage Katha in Desi Tassar. Very, very uncommon work. 9500. The colors, multiple colors, but at the same time so elegant. Blouse piece border, and this is the sari. Very rich. See, even I am wearing with this blouse, any color blouse piece you can use, any of the colors which is there inside the, in the thread work. The one that I am wearing, bold, bright in Desi Tassar, all over embroidery, half of the sari, and then it will have the buttas with temple pallu. Very smart temple pallu. And it will have this running blouse piece, but with this border. And the price of this beauty is 9800. 9800. This is the blouse piece. This blouse piece is 80 centimeters. Similarly, like the one that I am wearing, almost same work but little different from each other. 9800. This is without number. So take this, screenshot. I'll just show you differently. The flower pattern is slightly different. The border is same. Only the flower pattern is slightly different. So I'm showing you both the sarees. So both are available. You can give me please options. देकर बुक कीजिए. अगर 2, 3, 4 नहीं है तो please give me your second option of 3, 4, 5 or whatever. So please give me options and books. So this is another combination. So whichever you like. 9800. See the work for this. Take the screenshot. This doesn't have a number. Please take the screenshot of the product and the whole half of the saree same as I am wearing. Just little bit of difference in the flower color combination. So since I want you to send the exact product that you want, so I want you to take the screenshot of the product. And this is the blouse piece, and the one that I showed mine, you've already seen it. The neck piece that I am wearing, stone setting neck piece, 2500 with the earring, 2500 neck piece with the earring. Very sweet, very cute carving, premium neck piece, filigree work with this cute earrings, 2500, and the pair of bangles that I am wearing is 550, 550 rupees. The pair of thread setting bangle handmade with polki stones and detailing done. It goes with a lot of sari. I have more colors actually. Rani. I have black. 550 rupees pair. 5500 for the pair. It goes with salwar suits also. It looks very nice. See? I love these colors. You know, I usually wear a lot of these handmade thread work bangles. It looks so nice. Very pretty ones. 550 rupees is the pair. Sky, Rani, black. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.